Few young singers have managed to create such a lasting impression on audiences around the world as Lucy Thomas. With a voice that combines warmth, elegance, and emotional depth, she has become one of the most recognizable young performers in contemporary crossover music. Whether singing beloved classics, musical theater favorites, or modern ballads, Lucy has a unique ability to make every song feel personal. Her performances are never simply about hitting the right notes. They are about telling a story and inviting listeners into an emotional experience. Over the years, her growing popularity has transformed her from a talented young contestant on a television talent show into an internationally admired recording artist. Yet behind every successful performance lies a story of dedication, family support, and a lifelong love for music. Her rise to prominence did not happen overnight. It was built through years of practice, perseverance, and a genuine passion for singing. Today, Lucy continues to inspire audiences of all ages with her heartfelt interpretations and unwavering commitment to her craft, proving that talent combined with hard work can create extraordinary opportunities. Growing up surrounded by music, Lucy's love of music began long before she ever stepped onto a public stage. Growing up in Lancashire, England, she was surrounded by melodies and songs that filled her family home. Music was not simply entertainment, it was part of everyday life. Her mother often sang around the house, creating an environment where musical expression felt natural and joyful. These early experiences played a significant role in shaping Lucy's appreciation for music and performance. As a child, she was drawn to singing and eagerly joined in whenever she had the chance. The encouragement she received from her family helped nurture her confidence and curiosity. What started as a simple childhood interest gradually developed into something much deeper. Music became a source of happiness, creativity, and self-expression. Even at a young age, those around her noticed that her voice possessed a special quality. Her natural ability, combined with genuine enthusiasm, hinted at the potential that would later captivate audiences around the world. Those formative years laid the foundation for a remarkable musical journey that was only just beginning. The performance that changed everything. One of the defining moments in Lucy's early life came during a family celebration. At her grandmother's birthday gathering, she decided to perform a song for the guests. Standing before friends and relatives, she sang with confidence and emotion that surprised everyone in attendance. Among those listening was her godmother, who immediately recognized the remarkable potential in Lucy's voice. More importantly, she saw the emotional connection Lucy was able to create through her singing. That performance became a turning point. Encouraged by the positive response, Lucy began taking formal vocal lessons soon afterward. What had once been a casual passion became a serious pursuit. Through regular training, she learned the technical aspects of singing while continuing to develop her natural artistry. The lessons provided structure, discipline, and valuable guidance that would help shape her future career. Looking back, that family performance represented much more than a simple song. It was the moment when Lucy realized that music could become a meaningful part of her life, and perhaps even her future profession. Finding inspiration through many musical influences. One of the reasons Lucy's performances feel so distinctive is the wide range of influences that have shaped her musical style. Rather than limiting herself to a single genre, she has drawn inspiration from artists representing many different musical traditions. From contemporary pop and soft rock to classical crossover and musical theater, she has embraced a broad spectrum of sounds and storytelling approaches. This variety has allowed her to develop a style that feels both familiar and uniquely her own. Listening to different artists taught her valuable lessons about melody, emotion, vocal expression, and performance. Some inspired her through powerful storytelling, while others demonstrated the importance of vocal technique and stage presence. Over time, these influences blended together, helping Lucy create performances that balance technical excellence with genuine feeling. Her ability to move comfortably between genres has become one of her greatest strengths. Audiences appreciate not only her beautiful voice but also her willingness to explore different musical landscapes while remaining true to her artistic identity. Stepping into the spotlight. Lucy's introduction to a wider audience came through her appearance on a major television singing competition. For many young performers, such opportunities can be both exciting and intimidating. The experience places contestants under intense public attention while challenging them to perform at their very best. Lucy embraced the challenge with remarkable composure. Her audition immediately captured attention because of her maturity, vocal control, and emotional delivery. Rather than trying to imitate other singers, she approached the performance with authenticity and sincerity. Viewers quickly noticed that there was something special about her interpretation of classic songs. Her ability to communicate emotion made her stand out among many talented contestants. As she progressed through the competition, she gained valuable experience performing in high-pressure situations and learned important lessons about confidence, professionalism, and artistic growth. Although the competition itself represented only one chapter in her story, it provided a platform that introduced her to audiences who would continue supporting her long after the show had ended. A memorable interpretation of Moon River. Among Lucy's many performances during her time on television, her rendition of Moon River remains one of the most memorable. The song is a timeless classic known for its gentle melody and emotional depth. Performing such a beloved piece can be challenging because audiences often have strong attachments to earlier versions. Yet Lucy approached the song with grace and sensitivity, bringing her own perspective while respecting its original beauty. Her performance highlighted not only the purity of her voice, but also her understanding of the song's emotional core. Rather than relying on dramatic effects, she allowed the lyrics and melody to speak naturally through her interpretation. The result was a performance that resonated deeply with viewers and demonstrated a level of musical maturity beyond her years. It became one of the defining moments of her early career and helped establish her reputation as an artist capable of breathing new life into classic material. Embracing creativity and artistic growth. As Lucy continued her journey, she demonstrated a willingness to take creative risks and explore new artistic directions. Rather than staying within a comfortable musical formula, she experimented with different arrangements and interpretations. This openness to growth became especially evident in later performances where she transformed familiar songs into something uniquely her own. By simplifying arrangements or emphasizing emotional storytelling, she revealed new dimensions within well-known material. Such choices reflected a growing confidence in her artistic instincts. Instead of focusing solely on technical perfection, she concentrated on creating meaningful musical experiences. This balance between skill and authenticity has become one of the hallmarks of her work. Audiences appreciate her ability to honor the original spirit of a song while offering a fresh perspective. Through continuous learning and experimentation, Lucy has developed into an artist whose performances remain both familiar and surprising. Building a recording career. Following her television success, Lucy began the next phase of her musical journey by focusing on recording and releasing her own albums. This transition marked an important milestone because it allowed her to reach listeners far beyond live performances. Her debut album introduced audiences to her distinctive style and demonstrated that she possessed the versatility needed for a long-term career. Subsequent releases showcased continued artistic development, with each project reflecting greater confidence and musical maturity. Through carefully selected songs and thoughtful arrangements, Lucy established herself within the classical crossover and inspirational music genres. Her recordings resonated with listeners who appreciated both her vocal ability and her sincere approach to storytelling. As her discography expanded, so did her international audience. Each album represented another step forward in her evolution as an artist, helping to solidify her reputation as one of the most promising young voices of her generation. The power of timeless songs. One of Lucy's greatest strengths lies in her ability to connect with timeless music. Whether performing beloved standards, inspirational ballads, or musical theater favorites, she approaches each song with respect and understanding. Her interpretations often introduce classic pieces to younger audiences, while allowing longtime fans to experience familiar songs in a new way. This ability to bridge generations has contributed significantly to her appeal. Listeners are drawn not only to the beauty of her voice, but also to the sincerity she brings to every performance. Rather than treating songs as technical exercises, she focuses on conveying their emotional meaning. This approach transforms each performance into a personal conversation between artist and audience. It is a quality that cannot be taught easily, and one that continues to distinguish Lucy from many of her peers. A special musical bond. With Martha. An important part of Lucy's story involves her musical partnership with her younger sister, Martha. Together, the sisters have created performances that showcase not only their vocal talents but also their close family connection. Their duets are characterized by beautiful harmonies, emotional sincerity, and a natural chemistry that audiences immediately recognize. Through their collaborative performances, they have shared countless songs that celebrate hope, inspiration, and togetherness. Viewers often comment on the genuine affection and support evident in their interactions. This authenticity adds an extra dimension to their music, making each performance feel heartfelt and personal. Their growing online presence has introduced their music to audiences around the world, helping them build a loyal and enthusiastic following. Together, they demonstrate the power of family, teamwork, and shared passion. Looking toward the future, today, Lucy Thomas stands as an inspiring example of what can be achieved through talent, dedication, and perseverance. Her journey from a young girl singing at family gatherings to an internationally recognized recording artist reflects years of hard work and unwavering commitment. Yet perhaps the most remarkable aspect of her story is that it is still unfolding. With every new performance and recording, she continues to grow as an artist and expand her creative horizons. Her ability to connect with audiences on a deeply emotional level ensures that her music remains meaningful and memorable. As she moves forward, listeners eagerly anticipate the next chapter of her career. Whether performing classic songs, exploring new musical styles, or creating original work, Lucy's future appears filled with exciting possibilities. Her story serves as a reminder that passion, determination, and authenticity can transform dreams into reality, inspiring countless others to follow their own creative paths. And to 8888888.